Secretary Kejala Uba Donald Phillips Walang mentakala tarik Jrut araja alpasau ula penlong ke jinglet Jrut ya kajaka new vote la shai kasngi Hamadan Pulo Shillong. La senran ya Chief Secretary da Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari Returning Officer ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency USC Sadhu nalor USP Jrut Ravi wat kiwei. Habakran halor ke Jingpynkhreh ya kajaka new vote Chief Secretary ula penpau ke jingsngu hun Jrut bat kermen ba ke Jingniew kan yat bet kumbala Jingpynkhreh kram kanu kanu ke Jingthut. Ulong ba ke Jingniew vote kan sedang naduk kapor prabajeman step haduk banadap ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kidon pratli ki New vote bakan thup ha Shillong Jowai Klirian Nongpo Sora Mairang Nongston bat mau kerwan.
Looking at all the processes adopted by the returning officer, and I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
All security measures are in place.
Security measures are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here. So we are satisfied with the arrangements. Okay, thank you.